Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and also good night. For wheresoever that you're watching this video from, you are highly welcome. My name is Ramsit Anus. I'm going to be teaching you how to carry on the authentications attack. Now, but first of all, I want you to understand that this video is for educational purpose. Please do not do this on a network for which you are not on, because if you do it on a network for which you are not on, it becomes unethical. As you can see, I have my wireless router for which I'm going to be performing this attack on, and I also have my wireless adapter for which I'm going to be connecting to my virtual machine externally to perform this attack. So first of all, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to put this wireless adapter, external wireless adapter called Alpha, into my Kali Linux to put it into monitor mode before I can be able to carry on this attack. So now, back to this. So as you can see, I'm using Kali Linux in my virtual environment. Now, first thing what I'm going to do is to open my interface called Terminator, or you can say Terminal. Now, Terminator is different, but Terminal is also different. So now, when I open my Terminator window, I'm going to make this window as 2. So I'm going to right click. I'm not going to click on horizontal. I'm not going to make this screen big so you can see whatsoever I'm going to do. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to put my AFAT wireless adapter into monitor mode to be able to see. So I'm going to say if config. I'm going to say if config, and I'm going to press enter. When I press enter, as you can see, this is the interface of my wireless adapter for which I've connected. But this interface is not in monitor mode. So I'm going to type another command called if config WLAN 0. I'm going to put this down to shut it down. I'm going to press enter. When I press enter, now as you can see, it takes you to another prompt which tells you that this command is run successfully. The next thing I'm going to do is to kill all processes that will maybe interfere this adapter getting into monitor mode. So I'm going to say airmon.ng kill all. I'm going to press enter. airmon.ng check kill. airmon.ng check kill. I'm going to say airmon.ng check kill, and I press enter. Now, as you can see, all of those processes that will maybe sometimes interfere in putting this adapter into monitor mode, all of those processes been killed. The next command I'm going to type is to put this adapter into monitor mode. So I'm going to say airmon.ng, the interface name, the WLAN 0, I'm going to say start. After the airmon.ng, I'm going to say start space the interface name, which is WLAN 0 for Mansa, and I'm going to press enter. Now, as you can see, what it tells you that this adapter is being set into monitor mode. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to run a command that will be able to allow me to see all of those Wi-Fi that is near me. So I'm going to use another command called airrodom-ng plus the interface name, which is WLAN 0, and I'm going to press enter. When I press enter, as you can see, it gave the list of all of those Wi-Fi that is around me. Please, this video is for educational purpose. Do not perform this on any Wi-Fi that you're not the owner of. If you perform this on any Wi-Fi that you're not the owner of, it becomes unethical. I'm using this video for educational purpose, please. As you can see, there is a lot of lists of Wi-Fi network that is around me, but among all of those Wi-Fi network that is around me, I'm only own 2, which is Ramsey Wi-Fi and Smart AR. Now I'm going to press Ctrl+C to close to stop this. Now I'm going to perform this attack on Ramsey Wi-Fi. But the first thing, in order to perform this attack on Ramsey Wi-Fi, I'm going to look for the BSS ID. There is something called BSS ID. BSS ID stands for Basic Service Set Identifier, which has to do with the name, the MAC address of that Wi-Fi, the name of the MAC address of that Wi-Fi. So I'm going to firstly copy this MAC address of this Wi-Fi. I'm going to perform this on, and I'm going to run that same Aireplay-ng again. So I'm going to say Aireplay-ng -ng /BSSID, and I'm going to paste this MAC address, and I'm going to go to another one called --channel to see this channel for which this Wi-Fi adapter is broadcasting on. You can see it from right here. As you can see, my Wi-Fi network is broadcasting on the channel 7. So I'm going to put channel 7 space. What next? The interface name, my wireless adapter interface name. I'm going to press enter. When I press enter, now this command for which we just want to type in, it shows all of those devices that will connect to your Wi-Fi, all of those devices that has been connected to your Wi-Fi. As you can see, I have a few lists of those devices that is connected. Now, the next command we are going to do, I'm going to type the next command in here. The next command we are going to run going to be the de-authentications attack. This de-authentications attack will allow us to de-authenticate this device from this network. This device is going to be disconnected from this network if I perform this de-authentications attack. So like what I was telling you before from the beginning of this video. Now, maybe you have connected to a Wi-Fi network, maybe your company Wi-Fi, and you notice that for some reasons your device just disconnected and the Wi-Fi is still available, but there is no problem with the Wi-Fi. Your device just disconnected. So what you can do in this case, you have to think twice to know that maybe someone is performing this type of attack. So you have to know. So I'm going to show you how can you perform this. So I'm going to say Aireplay-ng space --DEAUTH, which stands for de-authentications. So I'm going to perform this attack. So in order to perform this attack, you have to specify how many packets of de-authentications that you want to send to this router to be able to disconnect this device. So I'm going to put maybe 10, let's say 10. The next one I'm going to put is -A. -A stands for the MAC address of this. So I'm going to put this MAC address of this, and I'm going to copy the same MAC address, and I'm going to paste it right here. When I paste it there, what next I'm going to do? I'm going to put -C argument. -C argument has to do with the specific device that you want to disconnect from on this Wi-Fi. So I'm going to copy this device, and I'm going to click on copy, and I'm going to click on paste, and I'm going to put the last one has to do with my interface name, my external wireless adapter interface. If I click enter, observe this. Now, as you can see, this device has been disconnected. Let me show you. If you come here, you will see this device will disconnect. And also in here, this device has been disconnected. And you see, right now it's connected back automatically. The reason it's connected back automatically is because the amount of packets that are specified for de-authentication is 10. That's the reason why after this 10 packets has been sent, and automatically the clients will be connected back. But if you want the clients to be connected, let's say to disconnect automatically, then you have to specify huge number here. So it depends on the number of de-authentications that you specified here that the route for your machines, Kali Linux machines, to be able to send to that router to allow the device to disconnect within that time frame. So stay tuned for this, for more videos Please, if you like this video, you can share this video also. This video is for educational purpose. And also, I'm going to be sharing the link of my YouTube channel. So if you also like this video, you can also follow my YouTube channel and like this video and also be a part of the family for which I'm trying to build. So have a nice day.